ኦኬ ጫማዬን አስጠረኩ እስኪ በእንግሊዘኛ ፖሊሽ የሚል ቃል ቢኖር ጫማዬን አስጠረኩ እስኪ በእንግሊዘኛ Yeah, you use this form. I have my shoes polished. I have my shoes polished. Or I get my shoes polished. You can say one. ሌላ ሰው ስለሚያደርገው ነው ይሄን ፎርም ተጠቀሙ። Great. ሩም አላችሁ እሱን አስቀባሁት እስኪ ፔይንት መቀባት ቢሆን You use the same form. I have my room painted. I have my room painted. I get my room painted. Nice. ሳይክል አላችሁ እሱን እስኪ አስጠገንኩ ሪፔር ቢሆን መጠገን እስኪ Good. I have my bicycle repaired. I have my bicycle repaired. I get my bicycle repaired. Good. ፀጉሬን ተስተካከልኩ the same form. cut እንዳለ cut You don't use other forms. So I have my hair cut. I have my hair cut. I get my hair cut. I have my hair cut. Good. ኮሜንት ላይ አሁን የምጽፉልኝ ምንድነው? ጺሜን ተከረከምኩ። ጺም beard ቢሆን መከርከም trim። ጺሜን ተከረከምኩ ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልኝ። Enjoy your time. Speak English and think English. You think English, you speak English. Thank you.